In this video, I will guide you to the straightforward steps of transferring money from a Visa gift card to your Cash App. So first things first, it's important to note that Cash App exclusively accepts specific gift card types, such as Visa, MasterCard, Discover, and American Express. Now, to begin, open the Cash App on your mobile device, then head over to the Balance tab located at the bottom of the screen. Now, following this, choose the Add Cash option where you can input the desired amount for the transfer from your Visa gift card to your Cash App balance. Now, moving forward, tap the Add button and select the specific Visa gift card you intend to use for the transfer. Now, you will need to enter the card details including the card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Now, finally, click on the Add Card button to complete the process. Now, once you've gone through these steps, the money will smoothly transfer from your Visa gift card to your Cash App balance. This user-friendly process ensures that you can seamlessly utilize your gift card funds within the Cash App platform. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.